Starting a unique business as a beginner can be exciting and rewarding. Here are some relatively easy yet unique business ideas for beginners, so let's get started. Personalized gifts and crafts. Create a business around personalized gifts, such as custom-made jewelry, handcrafted items, or personalized artwork. Subscription box service. Sell subscription boxes tailored to specific niches or interests. This could include anything from gourmet snacks to niche hobby supplies. Freelance writing/blogging. If you have a passion for writing, start a blog or offer freelance writing services. You can write about a niche you are interested in or have expertise in. Online tutoring. Offer tutoring or coaching services in a subject you excel in. Social media management. Many small businesses need help managing their social media accounts. If you're savvy with platforms like Instagram and Facebook, offer your services to help businesses increase their online presence. Virtual assistant services. Provide administrative support to businesses or entrepreneurs. Tasks could include email management, scheduling, and other administrative duties. Digital marketing consultancy. Learn the basics of digital marketing and offer your services to small businesses looking to improve their online marketing strategies. Pet services. Offer pet sitting, dog walking, or pet grooming services in your local area. Many people are willing to pay for someone reliable and trustworthy to care for their pets. Homemade food products. If you excel at cooking or baking, consider selling homemade food products, such as specialty jams, sauces, or baked goods at local markets or online. Online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, create and sell online courses or workshops. Mobile car wash. Offer a mobile car wash service where you go to clients' homes or offices to clean their cars. This can be a convenient and unique offering. Fitness training at home. If you are a fitness enthusiast, offer personalized fitness training sessions at clients' homes or virtually. Virtual interior design. Provide online interior design consultations and services. Clients can send you photos and measurements of their spaces, and you can offer design recommendations and mood boards.